Are you thinking about buying or selling a home with solar panels in California? You need to know about Assembly Bill 942, also known as AB 942, and how it could impact your real estate deal and your monthly energy bills. AB 942 is a proposed update to California's Public Utilities Code, and it's a big deal for anyone who owns or is considering owning a home with solar. Here's what you need to know. This bill changes how net energy metering, or NEM or NEM, works. That's the system that gives you credit when your solar panels send electricity back to the grid. Under AB 942, if you sell or transfer your home, you'll be automatically moved to a new rate plan, NEM 3.0. And NEM 3.0 pays much less for the energy that you produce. This means higher electric bills, around $63 more per month on average. And for sellers, that extra cost could lower home values, make deals harder to close, and add stress during the sales process. The California Solar and Storage Association is strongly against this bill. They say that it breaks promises made to millions of solar users and reduces the value of solar investments across the state. Supporters of the bill claim that it's about reducing energy rates, but many believe it's more about protecting utility company profits. There's also another issue. This bill makes real estate transactions more complicated, especially when it comes to verifying solar contracts during escrow, inheritance transfers, divorces, or rental property sales. If you're involved in one of these deals, you need to be extra cautious. So, what should buyers and sellers do? During the escrow, make sure to review all solar contracts and net metering agreements, confirm any rate plan changes required by law, and disclose everything clearly to avoid legal or financial surprises. What's the bottom line? AB 942 might sound like it's promoting clean energy, but it could actually damage or discourage people from going solar and impact California's renewable energy goals. If you're navigating a property transaction involving solar panels, make sure you understand how this bill affects your deal. And if you have questions, I'm here to help. Again, I'm Dan Artis with Barrett Financial Group at homeloansbakersfield.com. Have a great day, everybody.